Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, the government of Canada has announced a new pathway where around 90,000 people will be granted. I mean to say 90,000 applications for permanent residence will be accepted, but the actual count of the people could be much higher because many applicants will not apply as single rather than family. And if you have seen, in all streams there's a process to include a family member. I mean your eligible family member like your spouse and all. So, few things I would like to include over here. Like a common question arrives, like if you read the eligibility criteria, they have a minimum language benchmark or minimum language criteria for the principal applicant. But they have not mentioned anything about your spouse. So, is your spouse required to go for IELTS? So, before I come to this question, I would like to raise multiple points. Let's consider other processes. For example, express entry, spouse sponsorship. So when you go for spouse sponsorship, IELTS is not required at all. I have done sponsorship without IELTS, so I know. Then it comes to express entry. So in express entry, principal applicant needs to prove the language skills, and if the dependent also have some language skills like good IELTS score, you get bonus points. But it's not mandatory. If you yourself have such a great profile that your score is more than enough to get an invitation, then your spouse doesn't have to go through IELTS. Still you can be invited if you are, but yes, because of tough competition I always recommend people to go for it so that your profile comes up and you get the invitation. But here, first of all, in this pathway that has been said, in the eligibility criteria they have not mentioned anything about language requirements for spouses. Okay, first point. Second thing, this is not a point based solution. They have said like there's a cap and they're gonna stop once the number is reached. So that means it's gonna be like first come first serve basis. So the sooner you apply, better chances you have of getting it. And I know people would try everything to get through it. So that is the case. So considering that, it does not look like that spouses have to go for ads, but we will wait for the final or I would say more information to be released. But as of now, it does not look like. Of course, I cannot take any guarantee of this statement, but it looks like it's not required. We'll see it how it works down the line. But anyway, there's no harm in learning English and going for it. Rest is up to you. Thanks for watching.